If you feel bloated after meals or your stomach looks bigger by the end of the day, your gut might be inflamed, not just full. And the worst part? Most people are eating foods that make bloating worse while thinking they're healthy. Today, I'll show you 7 gut-healing foods that reduce bloating naturally and help your digestion work the way it should. Digestive issues affect about 70 million Americans, and bloating is one of the most common symptoms. But here's what most people don't realize. Bloating isn't just about gas. It's often linked to gut bacteria imbalance, low stomach acid, or intestinal inflammation. The good news, food can fix all 3. Food 1. Fermented foods. Sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt. These contain natural probiotics, beneficial bacteria that help restore gut balance. When your microbiome improves, gas production decreases and digestion becomes smoother. Start small though, about 1 tablespoon per day, because too much too fast can increase bloating initially. Food 2. Ginger is one of the most powerful natural anti-bloating foods. It speeds up stomach emptying and reduces intestinal spasms. That means less trapped gas and less pressure in your abdomen. Ginger tea after meals works especially well. Food 3. Kiwi. Kiwi contains an enzyme called actinidin that helps break down protein in the stomach. Better protein digestion means less fermentation in the gut. Studies show kiwi improves bowel movement frequency and reduces abdominal discomfort. 1 kiwi per day is enough. Food 4. Oats. Oats are rich in soluble fiber called beta-glucan. This fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria and improves stool consistency. A healthier microbiome means less gas-producing bacteria, but choose plain oats, not instant sugary packets. Food 5. Papaya. Papaya contains papain, a digestive enzyme that helps break down proteins. This reduces the amount of undigested food reaching the colon, where bloating often begins. It's especially helpful after heavy meals. Food 6. Chia seeds. Chia seeds absorb water and form a gel-like fiber. This soothes the intestinal lining and supports regular bowel movements. Constipation and bloating are strongly linked, so improving motility reduces both. 1 tablespoon soaked in water works best. Food 7. Peppermint. Peppermint relaxes intestinal muscles and reduces gas retention. That's why peppermint oil capsules are commonly used for IBS bloating. Peppermint tea after meals can significantly reduce abdominal pressure. Practical plan. If you want results quickly, here's a simple anti-bloat day. Morning, oats plus chia. Lunch, normal meal plus ginger tea. Snack, kiwi dinner, normal meal. Evening, peppermint tea. Add fermented foods once daily. Most people notice less bloating within 3 to 7 days. If you want more gut-healing nutrition videos, subscribe to the channel. And if bloating is frequent for you, watch my next video on foods that damage gut health. It might surprise you.